Did you know that sometimes the bravest thing you can do is ask for help? Meet Quinn, a thoughtful girl who noticed something important at her school. She saw kids struggling with math problems, feeling worried about tests, and having trouble with friends. But here's the thing, they were all too shy to ask for help. Quinn had a wonderful idea. She decorated a beautiful box with sparkly stickers and kind words, then placed it in the hallway. This wasn't just any box, it was a special question box where kids could secretly write down their problems and drop them inside without anyone knowing who wrote what. Soon, amazing things started happening. A student who was confused about fractions got the math help they needed. Two friends who were fighting learned how to talk through their problems. Kids who felt nervous about tests discovered fun ways to feel calmer. When the teachers saw how much happier and more confident the students became, they decided every classroom should have a question box. Quinn proved that when we make it safe for others to ask for help, everyone can shine brighter.